Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I'm going to be showing you how to find IP address on Windows 11. So there are two methods basically. So the first one is to press Windows R and type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. So it will show all the network adapters here. You just need to click on the one you want to find the IP address of and double click on it. So here click on details and you will see all the details of this network. Here you will see the subnet mask, IP address, the default gateway, DHCP server, and finally DNS server right here. So the next method to find is through the cmd command prompt. For this, again, press Windows plus R and here type cmd and click on OK. So here type ipconfig space/all and it will show all the wireless connections in your Windows. So scroll down and you will find this part where you can see your IPv6 address, IPv4 address, subnet mask, DHCP server, DNS servers, and your gateway as well. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.